Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Selinix Crypto, and welcome to a quick launch review of course, Jupiter. All right, one of the biggest airdrops in the last, in the last months, maybe ever in crypto. I don't know. I don't know how much of the supply has actually been being airdropped, but it was a big one. Jupiter is a huge project. They did a lot of volume in the last couple of weeks, especially, but also before that. Video on that, what I expect, what we're seeing right now, and just in general, what I think you need to know. And that's not what I wanted to look up. I quickly wanted to look up and show you that Solana is doing great. I mean, in total value locked, we're still increasing actually. So Solana is doing amazing. Jupiter, a little bit less so. And I do want to preface this video, I do want to start off by saying that this has just launched, all right? So I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame. There's absolutely, there's almost zero I can say based on these candles or based on these technicals. Maybe I can say a little bit or what we're reacting to, or what. I'll probably be able to tell you more about that tomorrow once we actually have some price action history. At this moment though, one of the main things we need to look at is that market cap. And the market cap right now for Jupiter is around $900 million with a fully diluted value or market cap of $6.6 billion, which is quite high. All right, right now 13.5% of the total supply is in circulation. I think this is too high. I mean, if I think CoinMarketCap actually has a statistic that can show us how the volume is comparing. For now, thank you for watching. Take care